Today we will complete primary 5 math first term. Okay, I am Mr. Abenob with you. Let's start now. Lesson 6. Lesson 6 is about dividing fractions. We learn in lesson 5 how to multiply two fractions, how to multiply mixed number by another mixed number. But in this lesson we will learn how to dividing fractions. Okay? How to divide fraction by another fraction. How we can divide fraction by another fraction. To divide a fraction by another fraction, exchange the numerator and the denominator of the second fraction divisor. Then multiply it by the first fraction. Okay? To divide fraction by another fraction, exchange the numerator and the denominator of the second fraction divisor. Then multiply it by the first fraction. After you exchange the numerator and denominator, you multiply like lesson number 4 or lesson number 5. For example, 4th divided by 2 over 3. We exchange the numerator and the denominator of the second fraction. 2 and 3. We will exchange at first. So we write 4th, and in here become 3 over 2. Okay? We exchange the numerator and the denominator of the second fraction. 2 in numerator become in denominator, and 3 in denominator become in numerator. And then multiply. So divide become multiply. So first multiply 3 over 2. And multiply like lesson number 5. 1 multiply 3 equal 3. And 2 multiply 4 equal what? Equal 8. So the result equal 3 over 8. Is this easy? Or we can say in the second method, leave, say with me, leave, exchange, flip. Leave, exchange, flip. Leave the first one, write first again, exchange, divide become multiply, and flip 2 over 3 becomes 3 over 2. 2 over 3 becomes 3 over 2. So we have 3 steps to divide two fractions. Number 1, leave the first one, and after it exchange and flip. Okay, leave, exchange, flip. Okay, let's solve it. Find the result of each of the following. 15 divided by 3 over 4. Okay, at first we can convert or exchange 15 to become fraction by put 1 like it, 15 over 1. Now to divide two fractions we have how many steps? 3 steps. Who can say it? Super. Leave, exchange, flip. So we leave the first one, 15 over 1. Exchange, divide in here, become multiply. Flip. 3 over 4 become 4 over 3. And you can multiply. But before you multiply, try to find a common factor between numerator and denominator. 3 and 15, we can divide both of them by what? Super, by 3. 3 divided by 3 equal? Super, 1. 15 divided by 3 equal what? 5. 4 multiply 5 equal? 20. And 1 multiply 1 equal what? 1. So 15 divided by 3/4 equal 20. Is this easy? Do you understand it well? Okay, another example. 5 over 7 divided by 5 over 9. We have 3 steps. Leave, exchange, flip. Number 1, leave 5 over 7 again. Exchange, divide become multiply. Flip. 5 over 9 become 9 over 5. Okay, let's solve it. Try to find a common factor between numerator and denominator. We have 5 in here and we have 5. Yes, so we can divide both of them by 5. 5 divided by 5 equal? Super, 1. And 5 divided by 5 equal 1. Multiply 1 by 9 equal 9. And 1 multiply 7 equal 7. So the result will be 9 over 7 in the simplest form. Do you understand? Okay, again, if you can't, 5 over 9 divided by 3 over 1. We convert it from whole number to be a fraction. Okay, let's do 3 steps. Number 1, leave, exchange, flip. Super. Number 1, leave, 5 over 9 again. Exchange, divided by, become multiply. Flip, 3 over 1 equal 1 over 3. Okay. In here, we have a common factor between numerator and denominator. No, we don't. So we will multiply. 5 by 1 equal 5, and 3 by 9 equal 27. So equal 5 over 27 in the simplest form. Is this easy? Okay. In here, we have mixed number divided by another mixed number. So we must at first convert mixed number to become improper fraction and then divide by. Who can convert with me the first one? Okay, try with me. 1 by 5 equal 5 plus 3 equal 8 over the same denominator 5. Divided by, we write divided by at first. Mister, you say exchange. Yes, but after you convert this decimal to become improper fraction. Okay, 2 and half. Converted from mixed number to be an improper fraction. 2 multiply 2 equal what? Super, 4. 4 plus 1 equal? Excellent, 5. Over the same denominator, 2. Now, we convert from mixed number to be an improper fraction. Okay, now, let's do 3 steps. Leave, exchange, flip. So, leave the first one, 8 over 5. Exchange, come multiply. Flip, 5 over 2 become 2 over 5. Okay, let's multiply. 2 by 8 equal 16. And the 5 multiply 5 equal what? Who can say? Super, equal 25. Do you understand it? Yes, it's very easy. We convert from mixed number to become improper fraction, and after it we make 3 steps. Leave, exchange, flip. 5 over 2 become 2 over 5. Okay. Okay, second, how to find the missing fraction. How to find the missing fraction. Okay, we know that 2 multiply 3 equal what? 6. 2 smallest number by 3 smallest number equal 6, and 6 is the greatest number. Or we can, if you want to start by 6 as a greatest number, 6 divided by 3 equal 2. 6 greatest number divided by 3 smallest number equal to smallest number. So in multiply, keep with me, smallest by smallest equal greatest. Smallest multiply smallest equal greatest. And in divided by, greatest divided by smallest equal smallest. So if you want the smallest in here, if I want the smallest number in here 2, we will divide 6 divided by 3 to get 2. If you want the smallest number 3, we will divide 6 divided by 2 equals 3. If you want the smallest number 3, 6 divided by 2 equals 3. If you want the smallest number 2, 6 divided by 3 equals 2. So, if you want the smallest number in multiply or in divided by, smallest equal greatest divided by another smallest. Smallest equal greatest divided by another smallest. If you want the greatest number, you will multiply the smallest by smallest. Okay, in here, let's solve with me how to find this missing fraction. 2 over 3 multiply what? Equal 4 over 5. In here, 2 over 3 smallest or greatest? Super smallest. Because in multiply we have smallest by smallest equal greatest. And in here smallest equal greatest. You want what? Smallest. How we can find the smallest? Super. Greatest divided by another smallest. So to find this fraction, we will use greatest 4 over 5 divided by smallest 2 over 3. Okay? Leave, exchange, flip. So equal 4 over 5. Exchange become multiply, flip. 2 over 3 becomes 3 over 2. And 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 2 multiply 3 equal 6. And 1 by 5 equal 5. So equal 6 over 5 in the simplest form. So 2 over 3 multiply 6 over 5 equal 4 over 5. Do you understand? Okay. Number 2. What? Divided by 2 over 7 equal 3. Who can tell me? In here, we want greatest or smallest. Super, greatest. Why? Because in divided by, we know greatest. It's the first number. Divided by smallest equal smallest. Okay, we want the greatest. How we can find the greatest? Who remember? Super, smallest by smallest. So we will multiply 2 over 7 multiply 3 over 1. Okay, 2 multiply 3 equal 6. And 7 by 1 equals 7. So in here, 6 over 7 divided by 2 over 7 equal 3. Do you understand how to find the missing fraction? Okay, in here, some exercise. 2 over 5 divided by 3 over 5. Leave, exchange, flip. 2 over 5 again. Leave. Exchange, divided become multiply, flip. 3 over 5 become 5 over 3. 5 and 5 goodbye, 1 and 1. So 2 multiply 1 equal 2 and 1 multiply 3 equal 3. So the result 2 over 3. Who can solve letter B? Yes, solve and make sure from your answer. Leave 2 over 3. Exchange, multiply. Flip 6 over 1. And before we multiply, try to find the common factor between numerator and denominator. 3 and 6, yes, divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 equal 1. 6 divided by 3 equal 2. So 2 multiply 2 equal 4. And 1 multiply 1 equal 1. So the result will be 4 in the simplest form. Okay? Letter C. 4 over 5 divided by half. Yes. Leave, exchange, flip. Leave 4 over 5 again. Exchange, divided by become multiply. Flip 1 over 2 become 2 over 1. You have common factor? In here, no. So we will multiply. 2 by 4 equal super 8. And 1 by 5 equal 5. So the result equal 8 over 5 in the simplest form. Okay, letter D. Who can solve with me? 2 over 7 divided by 5 over 7. Leave 2 over 7. Exchange, multiply. Flip 7 over 5. You have common factor between numerator and denominator? Yes, 7 and 7. 7 divided by 7 equal 1. 7 divided by 7 equal 1. 2 by 1 equal 2. And 1 by 5 equal 5. So the result will be 2 over 5 in the simplest form. Okay, letter E. 4 over 10 divided by 6 over 10. Leave, exchange, flip. So 4 over 10 divided by become multiply. Flip 10 over 6. You have common factor? Yes. 10 and 10. We can divide both of them by 10. 10 divided by 10 equal 1. And 10 divided by 10 equal 1. 1 by 4 equal 4 in numerator. And 1 by 6 equal 6. 4 over 6. We can divide it? Yes. We can divide both of them by 2. Divided by 2. Divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 equal Super, 2. 6 divided by 2 equal 3. So the result will be 2 over 3 in the simplest form. You can complete? Okay. In here, whole number divided by mixed. You can solve it? Yes. We can convert both of them to become fraction. The first one, 6 over 1. Super. Divided by, at first, 1.5. We convert it to become improper fraction. 1 by 2 equal 2. Plus 1 equal 3 over the same denominator 2. Okay. So in here I have two fractions. So we will leave, exchange, flip. Leave 6 over 1. Exchange divided by become multiply. Flip 3 over 2 become 2 over 3. In here we can divide 3 divided by 3 equal 1. 6 divided by 3 equal 2. And multiply two numerators and the two denominators. 2 multiply 2 equal what? Who can say? Super. 2 multiply 2 equal 4. And 1 multiply 1 equal 1. 4 over 1, or we can write 4 in the simplest form. So 6 divided by 1.5 equal 4. Okay, letter B. Like letter A, we will convert A to be a fraction by placing it over denominator 1 divided by. We convert mixed number to become improper fraction. Convert with me. 1 multiply 5 equal what? Super, equal 5. Plus 3 equal what? Super, 8. Over the same denominator, 5. Okay, leave 8 over 1. Exchange, multiply. Flip 8 over 5 become 5 over 8. And we can put it in the simplest form. 8 divided by 8 equal 1. 8 divided by 8 equal 1. Multiply 1 by 5 equal 5. And 1 by 1 equal 1. So the result will be 5 in the simplest form. So 8 divided by 1 and 3 over 5 equal 5 in the simplest form. Is this easy? Do you understand it well? Okay. 10 divided by 3 and fifths. Again, 10 divided by 1 divided by 3 and fifths. 3 by 5, 15 plus 1 equals 16 over the same denominator 5. Okay, leave, exchange, flip. Leave 10 over 1. Exchange divided become multiply. Flip 5 over 16. So 10 over 1 multiply 5 over 16. 10 and 16 we can divide both of them by 2. 10 divided by 2 equal 5. 8 divided by 2 equal 8. 16 divided by 2 equal 8. 5 by 5 super 25. And 1 by 8 equal 8. So the result will be 25 over 8. Okay, letter D. Mixed number divided by mixed number. Okay, we will convert both of them to become an improper fraction. And you can divide two fractions. Okay, convert with me the first one. 1 by 2 equal super 2. 2 plus 1 equal 3 over the same denominator 2 divided by 3 multiply 4 equal what? Who can say? Super 12. 12 plus 3 equal what? Okay, 15 over the same denominator 4. So leave 3 over 2, exchange, multiply, flip 4 over 15 equal 3 divided by 3 equal 1, 15 divided by 3 equal 5. 1 by 4 equal 4, 2 by 5 equal 10. So we can put it again in the simplest form. 4 divided by 2 equal 2, and 10 divided by 2 equal 5, so equal 2 over 5 in the simplest form. Okay, you understand how to convert to become a fraction and divide two fractions by 3 steps. Leave, exchange, flip. You will complete letter E and letter F. All of you understand this lesson? Okay, thank you for listening and goodbye.